Hello, welcome to day 3 of Python. Today I'm going to show you how to create the files in Python. And then we're going to go to and make a simple key. So first to read the Python file. So I'm trying to read the Python.dot file. So this file over here. This file just has a simple welcome, just a hello, welcome to the demo file. And there's just a demo touch puppet. And then we're going to add one more line similar to this. Now there's a file with more content. So first, I'll create a variable. So we're going to call it F for file. And then we're going to say to open and read that file location and put a R for read. And then when we're printing it, we're print string F dot read and close the brackets. Next, we wanted to read and append one more line, which says now the file has more content. And then we will close the writing part. And then we will put another read for it. So if I run it, so this is what we had before. And then we added another now the small, the file have more content. And you can see over here it's been re-added. So this is how you read file. If you have it the read, then you can add to read rows and columns in order. And if you put a W, that means you're overwriting what's already written. So if I put a W here, you would see it been added in a new line. But when you open the file, it will come at only that line now. Right. The next thing I wanted to show it's so here it's a small project. So we're trying to create a magic 8 ball, a very simple one. Just saying yes, no, and maybe. So here's the title, the magic 8 ball, and here's the date, and I just put my name at started, and I put it in comment to leave random notes. Then we have two packages we're using, modules, So we're using the randomer to randomly choose a value and number for the time over here. At the time, so we can make it hold for 5 seconds. So you can put unlimited messages, but we're in our variable list, we're just creating yes, no, and maybe. And we're going to start creating the function now. So we did EF, and we're just going to function main. And then we'll start by printing a simple statement. We'll work to the magic 8 ball. And the user will put the quotient. Then we'll put a thinking print. And then here's where the time module will come, where it would sleep for, we put the time and the target sleep, and then choose a randomly between 0 to 5 seconds. And then based on after it's wait a few seconds, we'll print choosing an answer from the 8 ball variable. And then here we'll have a true statement where we're trying to run that function and then keep on running it. So basically, if it asks it, you want to answer a question. If it's not a Y or Y, then it'll just come back if you have more questions. and they would stop the program. But let's say if I'm going to show you with the comment break and without comment break. So if I run it, so the question I'm just going to type it's the try through. And it'll say yes. Do you want action or question? If I type in no, it keeps running in a program. It's because I commented out break. And it had said please come again and it starts over again. But now I break. So let's do it again. Wait 1 second. So it's my name Nikki. And then you actually no, but if actually one question, you'd say let's say no. And then would close the program after its printed statements. Okay, that's all for this. Well, thank you.